Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious recipe. Chiles rellenos, stuffed with Mexican cheese, and of course, an amazing soup. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Ingredients to make this amazing chile de relleno caldo. These are the ingredients. I have, of course, the queso fresco, 1 cabbage, poblano chili pads, 1 tomato, half an onion, eggs, potatoes, and of course, chicken bouillon. This is everything you need to prepare these amazing and delicious caldo de chile relleno. So let's get started. Before I start with the recipe, I want to show you the remodel I was making in my kitchen. Look at this, of course. Look at this, how beautiful it came out. My stove broke down and I decided to just remodel this section. And now I am ready to start roasting these amazing chile poblanos to make this amazing caldo de chile rellenos. Well, here the stove is on. I'm going to start adding my chile poblanos and start roasting them until they're nice and roasted. Look at this. This really takes a long time, but let me tell you, once they're really roasted, you're going to put them in a bag and they are going to steam in there. And it's going to be so easy to take the skin off. Once you see your chile poblanos roasted from every single side, then you're ready to start adding them into this little bag. And once they're all done, just like this, just leave them in there until you prepare the rest of the ingredients. And here I want to start with the tomato. I have 1 tomato. I am going to cube it. I have half an onion. I'm going to cube it in small little pieces. And of course, I have the cabbage. The cabbage is really going to be so delicious. Don't cut it in small little pieces. Just chop away just like that. Put it in a plate and then continue with your potatoes. Take all the skin away from the potatoes and then you're just gonna cut the potatoes in half after you rinse them. And of course, my daughter just came from the supermarket and brought me carrots and zucchini. And I am going to add some of the carrot and the zucchini. Taking all the skin off, and then I am ready to just cut it in small little pieces so that everything really cooks at the same time. Let me tell you, this caldo comes out so delicious and amazing. You could add some rice, or you could add some tortillas, or if you just want to enjoy it just like that. Remember to cook this caldo exactly how I'm doing it, so your veggies are al dente. And here I'm going to separate the white from the eggs. I'm going to separate it in each plate, and I'm going to continue by doing the same for the rest of the eggs. Look how easy this is. You want to make sure that you really separate it. And now I'm just going to put it aside. By this time, I am going to go ahead and slice the cheese. Let me show you. You really want your chile rellenos to be filled with amazing cheese. The more cheese it has, the more amazing they're going to be. So here I'm just going to slice away very carefully, and I'm just going to put it aside until I am ready to use and stuff my poblano peppers. Once you have everything assembled, now you're ready to start taking the skin off of your poblano peppers. Look how easy the skin comes out. I am going to continue getting all the skin off from the chile poblanos. And once this is done, I am ready to remove the seeds. Being very careful that you don't cut yourself. Remove the seeds and get all the seeds out of your chile poblanos. Let's just do it. Once they're done, I am ready to stuff them. We're going to start adding
the cheese inside of every single one. Let me tell you, this caldo comes out amazing. And winter is just around the corner, so let's start making our amazing homemade soups. Look at this. Now, in hot water, I am going to add the veggies, the potato, the carrots, the onion, and the tomato. I am going to reserve the cabbage and the zucchini. You know that the cabbage and the zucchini cooks very fast. So let's just put it aside. 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, and then we're going to mix. And just leave it here until it starts boiling and cooking. And now I'm ready to start getting nice and fluffy all the egg white. Once this is fluffy, I'm going to add the yolks. Of course, continue mixing very well. Once this is done nice and fluffy, by this time I have a pan on the stove with vegetable oil just getting nice and hot. I am ready to start dipping all my chile rellenos into this amazing and fluffy egg mixture. But before I do that, I have half a cup of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to start covering all my chile rellenos just like this. Roll them on top, and if you need to sprinkle a little on the top, go ahead. But this is a very easy technique so the egg really sticks to your chile poblanos. And now this is ready, so let's go to the stove. The oil is nice and hot. We're going to put our chile relleno, and now we're ready to start frying them. Look at this. This looks amazing. Let me tell you, make sure that you add it to your hot oil. Do not add this mixture when the oil is not hot, or the egg will absorb all that oil. Look at this. Cover them with the hot oil right on the top so it makes it easier for you to flip over. And the egg is really going to cover the chile poblano, and the cheese is still going to be inside. It's not going to come out even when you add it to the soup. Look at this. Once this is done, you're ready to remove. They're golden brown. I am going to remove it and transfer it to a plate. Look at this. Look how easy it is. And the chile poblano is really covered with all that amazing mixture. And now the pot is boiling. And now if you have a little bit of leftover of the egg, add a little bit of egg, some queso fresco on the top, cover it, and now you have some tortitas. And everybody fights for these tortitas at home because they're filled with the cheese. By this time, the caldo has been boiling, and I am going to add the zucchini and the cabbage right on the top. Once I add it, I'm going to mix it very well, and now I am ready to start adding the chile poblanos right on the top. Right when you add your chile poblano, just cook it for about 10 minutes, no more than 10 minutes. So all your veggies are going to be al dente when this soup is done. Look at this. Of course, don't forget the juices. After the 10 minutes, you're gonna take one of the potatoes out and see if the potato is nice and soft. Remember, don't overcook your veggies. If the potato is al dente, turn off your stove and you're ready to enjoy this amazing caldo de chile rellenos. Turn off your stove, do not cover them, and of course, prepare your plate and enjoy. And if you got to this part of the video and you like and you love my caldo de chile rellenos, like, subscribe, and share. I am ready for the presentation. Can't wait to enjoy. I'll see you in just a little bit.
friends, I am completely done with this amazing caldo de chile rellenos. And with all those veggies, this is the part I really love and enjoy tasting my recipe. Winter is just around the corner, so let's enjoy our amazing soups. Excuse me. So delicious. And with all these veggies, just perfect. Let me tell you, all the veggies are still al dente. They didn't lose their shape and they're amazing. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing caldo de chile rellenos. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing caldo de chile rellenos. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.